Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be painting Kang the Conqueror. First things first, you're going to take a washable glue stick and get rid of your eyebrows, all blocked. Now we're going to take the NYX Jumbo pencil and milk and just sketch out neckline and helmet. Once that's sketched, I'm going to take this cream paint that I got off Amazon and I'm going to mix together the aqua and navy and a little bit of white to get this perfect light blue teal kind of color, and then blend that in. Next, we're going to give ourselves a little bit of highlight with some white clown paint before powdering that all down. Now I'm going to just carve out my cheekbones with some of the James Charles palette before going in with this purple water activated paint by Mehron, and I'm going to start carving out my helmet piece and then move on to my chest, and then I'm going to take the green from Mehron and finish off my sleeves. Once that's done, we're going to start shading, my favorite part. I'm taking a darker version of the green and the purple and starting out to see where I want to shade everything before going in with some black. And then I'm going to take a big flat brush and start deepening in some of the shadows that I want to put on my clothes to make it look like they actually have wrinkles in them and they're not just plainly on my skin. Then I'm going to take a white water activated paint and give myself some highlights. Kang does have these fun looking scars on his face, so I'm adding that in along with some darker shading and highlight bits. For my eyes, I just did it real simple, just a dark black smoky look, and I'm going to put my contacts in, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this quick, simple Kang tutorial. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me. I'm going to start posting my videos more often again, and I will see you guys next week.